Today I'm excited to share with you this awesome Chaos Dwarf wizard riding a Lamassu. This is an incredible model expertly crafted by the talented creator Fabelzel, who can be found on the popular website Thingiverse. First of all, let's talk about the essence of the Chaos Dwarf wizard. As a devout fan of Warhammer fantasy battles, this model truly captures the spirit of the game. It takes me back to those epic battles where armies clashed, heroes rose, and legends were made. The attention to detail is exceptional, and every element of this model reflects the details and dark charm of the Chaos Dwarves. Now let's dive into the assembly process. I must mention, during my experience with this model, I found it necessary to remove the connection points on some of the parts to ensure a perfect fit. While this extra step may require a bit of effort, it's well worth it for the final result. The model looks absolutely awesome once assembled, and the effort put into the adjustments pay off in creating a seamless and visual stunning piece. The support removal was clean, leaving minimal damage to the miniature. This is a testament to the precision and attention to the details that Fabelzel has put into their work. In terms of construction, this miniature comes in several parts: the wings, the body, the head, the wizard, and the throne. This modularity allows for customization options, ensuring you can position and paint each element to your liking. Before I wrap up this review, I want to express my gratitude to Fabelzel for creating such an amazing model. I cannot thank you enough for sharing your work with the Warhammer community. Your contribution adds immense value and excitement to the tabletop game, and I'm sure many wargamers will appreciate and cherish this remarkable piece. And to all the gamers out there, I highly recommend checking out Fabelzel's Thingiverse for more Chaos Dwarves, and remember to support creators like Fabelzel. I'll leave links to Fabelzel's content in the description below. Thank you for watching this review. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more exciting wargaming reviews, painting tutorials, and lore. And until next time, keep rolling those dice and may your adventures be legendary.